Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. There's not enough information in your question to just answer yes or no. First of all, if your case was remanded to immigration court from the BIA, that's a great thing, but it wasn't granted. Okay, if it was granted, it would have simply been granted, and then, a year from now you can apply for the green card. It was remanded. That means that the BIA saw something that the immigration judge did that was not proper, or the judge didn't look at evidence, or the judge made a ruling that was improper. Maybe the judge said that he or she didn't believe you, and maybe the BIA thought there was sufficient credibility. So you need to go back to immigration court, and whatever it was remanded for needs to be addressed. It will have been remanded for a specific reason. It just doesn't, they don't just make a decision and go, we're sending it back to the immigration court. They explain why. They explain the reasons, and they explain what rulings need to be looked into. So it's very possible that if that's not done properly, that once it gets back to the immigration court and it goes through everything they requested, that the immigration judge could simply deny it again. So that's the first part of your question. Now, if you've been married with a green card holder who entered us illegally, I need to know what you mean, who entered us illegally. Does that mean that you entered the United States illegally and you have you had no visa, you had no authorization to come in? Does it mean that you might have lied about what your status is when you came into the U.S.? I would need to know those facts. Just being married to a lawful permanent resident does not by itself mean that you can get the green card. While it may provide a path to the green card, it may have to be done through consulate processing. You might need waivers. So first things first, you got to take care of the asylum. You got to try to win. I mean, you obviously have some kind of decent case, or it would have never been remanded. So take care of that first. And then if there is a path for green card for you through the marriage, that can also be taken care of and can also be filed. Okay?